In this video I'm going to show you how to do all the things that you used to have to do in the old Blackboard, but I'm going to show you how to do those in Blackboard 9. So let's go back to our Blackboard site and we're going to go into a course. The first thing that you want to do is go up and turn edit mode on by clicking the button in the top right corner. And when you click edit mode, you're going to notice that usually you're going to be on your announcements page when you go in. Notice that there's a button that says create announcements right here on the upper left hand corner of the announcement page. To add an announcement, you just click on that button and it brings up the page. And once you've clicked on that create announcement button, you do everything that you used to do. It's the exact same page that comes up here with the exact same options that there were before. You just put a subject line in, you write your announcement in, you can post a link to a location in your course if you want to, like you could link to a discussion board, and then you just click submit and you've got an announcement there. Okay, so in terms of doing all of the things that you used to have to do in these content areas here on the left, what you do is you just click on the content area that you want to modify. So let's say that we want to post our PowerPoint slides. That's a really common thing. So any of these content areas that you go into, you're going to see the same navigation menu here at the top. You can create an item, you can build lots of different things, you can create evaluation items, collaboration items, and some other things. But you use this same menu in all of your other content areas. So let me give you an example. Let's say that you want to post your PowerPoint slides up. You click create item, and that brings up the ability to upload a file to your site. And so you name the file, you can put a description there, and then you click browse and you browse for a file on your computer. You just go to the directory where your PowerPoint files are, and then you attach your PowerPoint files and you hit submit. Okay, and again, this page is just like the page that there was before. All of the content areas, like for example, you used to post assignments, you used to post your PowerPoints, you used to post readings. Well, that menu that comes up at the top of the content areas, that menu is the same. Let's go back. So let's go back to the content area. The menu is going to be the same for any content area that you create. You can create an item, which is upload a file, and then you can evaluate. That's where you create assignments and tests and stuff. You can build all sorts of things, like you can create folders and links and stuff like that, and you can create projects like blogs and stuff. Okay. So when I say content area, when you add a content area to these buttons on the left, you'll just go to this plus sign with edit mode turned on, click create content area, and you get what you see right there in front of you. You get these buttons here. In another video I'm going to show you all the stuff that you can do with these buttons on the left. Okay, so in terms of creating assignments, uploading files, that's how you do that. Now, in order to go to the gradebook, there's a new control panel down here on the bottom left, and let me show you. With this control panel, you've got course tools, course links, evaluation. So if you want to go to the gradebook, you click evaluation, and the ability to go to the grade center drops down right in that menu there. So you click grade center, and the gradebook's going to pop up right there, just like it used to. So in this new control panel, you don't have to navigate around the way that you used to. You don't have to go into a control panel. The control panel's right here where it used to be. Okay, so that's how you get into the grade center. If you want to customize the look of your site, you've got the customization option here, and there's all sorts of things you can do. And when you click course tools, this big menu drops down, and you can do things like access the course calendar. You can drop your assignments in there to remind students. You can make a safe assignment. There's all sorts of stuff you can do here. You can create discussion boards and blogs and stuff like that. So the control panel is down here, and all of the functions that were in the old control panel are now in the new control panel. The main difference here is that the content areas You no longer modify the content areas in the control panel. You modify the content areas by turning edit mode on and actually clicking on the content area that you want to modify. And that's the main difference. So in terms of doing all that old stuff that you used to have to do in the old Blackboard, you now know how to do it in the new Blackboard.